Shipping delays, part shortages, and travel restrictions have plagued the electronic development cycle, causing delays and increasing costs. Software engineering has quickly adapted to this environment as a design center can support both on-site and off-site workers seamlessly. Hardware engineering, however, requires access to labs, hardware prototypes to do a significant portion of their work. We want to create the ultimate remote solution, freeing electrical engineers to have unlimited, remote, reliable, and safe access to laboratory and test equipment. The Prob-O-Tec is a 7+2 degree of freedom, precise remote, automatable robotic arm and effector solution that will revolutionize the remote design engineering workflow. The Prob-O-Tec was inspired by our team's remote collaboration capabilities and desire to reduce cost in development of electronic subsystems within the new globally connected remote workforce. The Prob-O-Tec will reduce the need to send boards to multiple engineers, as well as allow design engineers to test and validate designs without needing to travel to testing labs or manufacturing facilities, reducing time, cost, and human error on development cycles, and allowing access to high-quality design engineers no matter their location. The Prob-O-Tec Agile End Effector provides precise, flexible probing of circuit boards. Additionally, the Prob-O-Tec, with its automatable capabilities and precise robotic movements, will reduce human fatigue and improve repeatability when testing systems. Getting in as an early backer on this project would allow you and your company to help guide the final feature set, as well as being able to get the Prob-O-Tec solutions at a reduced cost. We would greatly appreciate any feedback and support to make this solution a benefit to the development cycle. At Mentera, we have developed a variety of teleoperated robotic solutions, IoT devices, and FPGA boards, as well as custom devices and solutions for our customers. Mentera has experience in rapidly prototyping mechanical, electrical, and software designs to fit the needs of our clients.